You want to learn how to create this simple, yet eye-catching graphic. Stay for this quick tutorial and give your future presentations a more sophisticated look. First, we are going to start out by creating a circle shape and duplicating it twice. Do a right-click on the circle shape and select Format Shape in the appearing drop-down menu. You can now give your 3 circles different sizes. By formatting the size this way, you can ensure that the circles are evenly spaced, and by having the same value for height and width, you automatically ensure that your circle is balanced and not an oval shape. Once you have resized all 3 of your circles, select them all and go into Arrange in your upper right toolbar. Align all shapes in the center and the middle to ensure an even spacing. While still having all circles selected, you can move them to a desired spot on the slide. You can also use this moment to add formattings that you would like to have on all 3 elements, like for example shadows. These will add depth to the final graphic. For the changing of the colors, each circle needs to be selected individually. Feel free to adjust the colors to your liking or to add brand colors. Let's move on to the arrows. Select an arrow shape that points in the direction of your empty half of the slide and place it on the upper part of the outer circle. Make sure that the shape has no outline and no shadows. This allows for a smooth transition between the arrow and the circle shape. Duplicate your arrow twice and place the duplicates in the 2 other circles, adjusting their length to give the staggered look. Then change the coloring of the shape accordingly. Lastly, go into Arrange in your upper left toolbar and align the arrows from the back to give the final graphic a clean look. If you would like to adjust the width of the arrows, select all shapes and adjust the sizing under size and position to make sure they are identical. In a final step, you can adjust the settings for the text inside the arrow shapes. For this, double-click on the arrow and adjust the text settings to your liking with the upper toolbar. You can decide on the positioning of your text, the writing size, style, and color. If the desired settings for all shapes are the same, select all shapes before doing the adjustment. That way you save on time and reduce repetitive work. Single adjustments, like a different text color for lighter fields, can be changed in the end. For easy handling of the graphic group All Shapes, this allows you to move and resize the graphic freely. Single elements can still be adjusted after selection with a double click. For more quick and easy tutorials like this, give us a follow, and we will be happy to make your life easier a couple of minutes at a time.